Good afternoon to one and all gathered here, internal judges, external judges, and my dear faculty members and my teammates. So, I am P.Yugeshkaran, team leader of Team Neoteric, and regarding our problem statement, enhancing user experience and accessibility on the employment department's digital platform. So, which means employee department of Punjab stated to build a chatbot on top of LLM, which can be integrated with P.G.Akram portal. That portal is exclusively for the people, those who are looking for jobs, skills, and other foreign counseling guidances and other related educational steps. This is exclusively for Punjab peoples. For that, they need to increase the user experience. So they want to build a chatbot. So this is what all about our problem statement. And these are all the other necessary details about our institution and our organization. And now let's move on to the solution part. So these are all the important steps that we have encountered to build our chatbot. So first process is collecting of data. Here we are collected the data related to jobs, skills, foreign counseling guidances. So these data are used to feed and train our chatbot model. So next comes natural language processing. So this is the part which makes our chatbot alive. So this could be implemented with the help of two main packages. One is Chainlet and another one is LangChain. These two packages are offered by Python programming language, which is free and open source and flexible language. So next comes OpenAI integration. This part helps to integrate our own GPT model, whichever chatbot that we have built, with our chatbot user interface. It also provides the services to our own GPT model. So this GPT model is trained with some data set. So that data are stored in the vector database. So that comes into the next step, that is our fourth stage. So here the data are stored in the vector form. Why means whenever user asks the query to our chatbot, it needs to answer with the help of cosine similarity. So this cosine similarity is only implemented with the help of vector database. So these are the main four steps that we need to build our chatbot. Once we complete these four steps, next we move to the fifth stage, that is user interface and testing. Once we have completed our chatbot, in this stage, we can easily deploy our chatbot and we can check any errors and debugging, and we can add additional features to it. So these are all the important steps that we have encountered to build our chatbot. Regarding use cases, uniqueness, and other additional technology supports will be explained by our team at Roshni. Roshni, carry on.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let's get to know about the uses of the chatbot. In accordance with the problem statement, it offers job search assistant, skill development recommendations, foreign counseling and study abroad guidances. Job search assistant gives the informations about private and government jobs with their vacancies, maximum and minimum eligibilities, locations, etc. As for skill development, it gives several informations about technical and non-technical skills and where it is offered. Foreign counseling and study abroad guidances are given by the information on foreign study centers upon interest and recommendations. Uniqueness of this idea, which is personalized career path mapping, which it takes into account the skills, interests, and current market trends. Let's get to know the details of what's used in our solution. We took Python as a sole programming language. For natural language processing, we use Chainlet for user interface and LangChain to import LLMs, agent, and chat model. For data collection and storage, we have a vector database, example, ChromaDB and AstaDB. For user interface, we account web application and framework, which is especially provided by Chainlet. Data end-to-end encryption holds to privacy and security. Testing and deployment to run and observe the framework for better features. The cloud platform holds the host to the chatbot. Example, Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Heroku. Let's go for the flowchart. First in place, we have the user interface, which is in our case is a website, which is built with Chainlet. We integrate user interface with GPT model, that is in here GPT Turbo, with the help of OpenAI. Then the vector database is being accessed by the GPT model. I now hand over the session to Hackathon. Thank you.
Yeah, let me explain our idea with the help of prototype. I think my program screen is visible to everyone. Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Whether my program, yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
bro.
As
visible.
we have, yeah, as we have discussed earlier, we are mainly using two packages. One is LangChain and another one is Chainlet. So with the help of LangChain, we have imported all the necessary functions, that is OpenAI, Chat OpenAI. Here, Chat OpenAI is our chatbot model, and with the help of agent type, we are imported the CSV agent. Why we are specifically using CSV agent means you can observe that all our data sets are I'm locally store all our data sets in a CSV format in this program files. Like you can observe that government job data set, guidances data set, non-technical data set, P.Yugeshkaran, how to register to that website portal. So that is the P.Yugeshkaran register data set and private job data set. So after once we complete this, next comes to we are importing the chainlet. So this is used to support our chatbot interface. That is our user message interface. As Rosni explained in the flow chart, there is something called OpenAI. Here is the key used to connect. This is the OpenAI key, which is used to connect our own GPT model with our chainlet interface. So once we completed all the importing modules, next comes the our chatbot agent. So this is the important part, which is used to define all our agent model. So here we are defining our CSV agent with the necessary parameters, that is LLMs, verbose, agent type, and error handling parameters. So here you can clearly observe that I have imported all our data set into the list format in the CSV data format. Once we completed the defining the data, our chat model, next we need to run the chatbot whenever user gives some input. So that part taken here. That part is happened with the help of this snippet of code. So whenever the user message inputted, the agent suddenly call our chat models and it will start answering. So this is what the complete program of our chatbot. Let me run and do some demo. Hope my chainlet screen, our chatbot interface screen is visible to everyone. Yes.
Yes, bro.
So
It is visible.
this is our chainlet interface. So now this is our chatbot, which is locally opened in my host. Now we can start texting. I just initially sent hi message to the chatbot. So it asks me, what are you looking for? That is, you are looking for job or skill development or looking for foreign counseling, study abroad guidance. So these are all the data set whichever we are already imported into this program. That is our chatbot. So now I need to know the job detail of data scientist. So this is nothing but our agent chain. It will process step by step. At final, it will retrieve all the answers. So here it gives me the answer like necessary information about the data scientist job. That is minimum eligibility to get the jobs and what is the maximum eligibility and what is the initial salary of the first year month. These we can get these kind of details from the chatbot. And next, I need to now this is one of the example for job. Next, we will do some example for skill development. So I already have some. So how do I improve my communication skill? So this is my second query. Since we are using the free version, it takes some time. So once we make a subscription means it won't load this much time. So it also gives the necessary details for how to improve my communications. So the primary goal of this chatbot is to how to make easy use of the PGR from website. So I now pass the query. How do I register in PGR from portal? So here it gives step-by-step process for the employee, those who are looking for a job, how to register in the portal. I just click that link. It directly get into the PGR portal. This is the portal. This is the website which we are currently building the chatbot. So far we have imported the details of jobs, skill training, and counseling. So as of now, in the problem statement also they mentioned to build the chatbot primarily for these three domains. So, but soon we will import the details of all other domains as well. So this is what all about our ideas and prototype and our presentation. Now I open the session to the query. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. It's now question.
Sir, I request Dr. Sarath any queries
Yeah,
and floor in all in
yeah, so yeah, first of all, thank you for this opportunity, sir. So, yeah, Yugeshkaran, you
Yes, sir.
presented on the topic related to employment department present as the digital platform. That means like a kind of using chatbot. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay,
Continue,
fine,
sir.
fine. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is the interesting one. I think you presented very well. Then apart from that, you have that means you gave some of the codings, these kind of things. Whether this is the that means from your team itself, you have developed this code.
Yes, sir. We have researched so much. We are working for past 1 month, more than 1 month.
Oh,
So the complete code is built by us with several tutorials. I searched in online, everything I studied completely, and then only we built us the code, sir. So it is
oh,
built by us only, sir. Our team.
okay, fine, fine. That's fine. Okay, I have few observations. That means why this kind of thing that means this portal is only you have developed in the mind of that means related to Punjab government. What's the reason behind that?
Actually, actually it is beyond the thing. What the job sequence of the Punjab people is nowadays getting down. So
Hmm.
the Punjab governments want to build similar like non-Mudalwan website in Tamil Nadu. They want to
Yeah.
improve for Punjab. So that is the PGR from website to increase the already they built, but to increase the user experience in a flexible way. So they want to build a chatbot, sir. So I think to increase the employee departments only, they implemented this PGR from portal, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, what's the major difference or the uniqueness of when comparing to yours portal with Naukuri?
Actually, in that portal, they can directly apply for the job. But here, they can get the pure skills. Apart from the portal, they can also have some online courses like skill development. If you ask for some skill, so far we trained with few data set. If you train the data set with complete data, it will answer
Hmm.
for like what is the online platform you need to
Okay.
choose, what is the link that you need to go, like that, and
Hmm.
initial payment of the month, what is the fee structure, everything it actually,
Sir,
this is
if
the
we
code,
get the
sir.
data set differently,
Yeah,
according to the other states, then we can do, sir.
Okay, fine,
yes,
fine.
depending on the data set. The model is same only, sir. If they want to import with a different model, this depends on adding the features. So we need to customize our model. So it is implement.
Okay,
We can implement, sir, but we need to change the data set alone.
okay, okay,
That's it.
okay, okay, fine. Thank you for your great presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.